Ever resolved a ticket, moved on, and then seen it reopen just because the customer replied with, "Thanks"? It seems minor, but those unnecessary reopenings create queue noise, waste agent time, and can distort your support metrics. BoldDesk Thank You Detector is built to prevent that. It uses AI to analyze replies on resolved or closed tickets, and, when the message is simply a non-actionable thank you, keeps the ticket from reopening. In this video, you'll see what Thank You Detector does, how to enable it, and how to configure it by brand and channel. First, log in to your BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator. Navigate to AI module and select AI Copilot. Make sure the AI Copilot features are enabled for your account. Open Customer Support Assistance and check the option for Thank You Detector to turn it on. Once it's enabled, click Manage. In the Manage window, choose the brand and the source or channel where you want the detector to apply. Then click Update. This part matters because the detector only runs if the incoming reply matches the brand and source you selected. If the reply comes from an unsupported or unselected channel, the detector is skipped and the ticket reopens as usual. It is important to note that Thank You Detector only evaluates replies when the ticket is already in closed or resolved status. It's designed specifically to prevent reopenings caused by messages like, "Thanks," "Thank you," "Much appreciated," or "That was helpful," when there's no new request. Reopen suppression only happens when the AI confidence score is at least 0.90 or 90%. If the confidence is below that threshold, the ticket will reopen according to your normal behavior. Moreover, the Thank You Detector works alongside your existing ticket status behavior settings. If your setup is configured to reopen closed tickets on reply, the detector can prevent that reopening only when the reply is a clear, non-actionable thank you. But if your setup is configured to create a follow-up ticket, that follow-up behavior still applies. Now, when a ticket is resolved or closed, and a customer replies with a simple thank you message, BoldDesk intelligently detects the intent and keeps the ticket closed automatically, eliminating unnecessary reopenings, reducing agent workload, and keeping your support queue clean and focused. But if the customer says something like, "Thanks, but I still have an issue," the ticket reopens because there's clearly more work to do. And if the reply has a negative tone like, "Thanks for nothing," it reopens as well. If this video helped you cut down needless reopenings, like and subscribe for more BoldDesk tutorials, and visit BoldDesk.com to explore AI Copilot features for your support team. Thanks for watching.